Hi, welcome, Marianne popping in, and it is Friday, September 27th. It's exactly 2 months to the day that I quit my job, became newly retired again. So I have not yet decided what I'm going to do about that, if I'm going to look for a job or I haven't been looking for a job actively. I'm not sure what I want to do. Right now, I'm in the midst of going over Medicare things because I have to enroll like in the next few weeks, like before November. I'm going to be 65 in December, so I have to enroll. I'm on this September, October, November. There's this 3 month window that I have to enroll. So I have a lot of decisions to make, and I'm still waiting on some the U.S. Postal Service information. I got the premium amounts, but because then I have to pay a premium for Part B too. So I guess from what I hear, I don't have a lot of health issues that I'm aware of. So, but I guess it's just like in case something happens, it's good just to be getting that for my situation, uh, with also the postal insurance, which is going to be a bit pricey. So whether I'm going to collect Social Security or get a job, I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. But anyway, welcome. Welcome to my channel. Look what I got. This is a new flavor of Zervia, salted caramel. Just got it today. Just shipped to me. I ordered it directly from the company. Can get it on Amazon as well. If I think about it, I can put a link. It's basically about the same price, but if you have Prime and get free shipping. Somehow I ordered a case, so I hope I like it. Let's see. I'm scared. Wow, it tastes like caramel. That's a surprise. It's really good. I have 3 8-packs of it. I don't know. I can't drink too many of those. It's like a rich. I'm just glad it doesn't taste like cream soda because I do not like cream soda. I do like that it does taste like caramel. So that's going to be a good treat for me. Yay on that one. Other things in the news today, Friday, uh, Seema Sustani, I don't know if that's how you say her name, she's out at Weight Watcher International. Big news. Big news. So some other lady, Tara, her last name starts with a C. She's going to be an interim CEO for now. But what happened is the stock fell down today to 82 cents a share. It went under $1. And with stocks, you don't want them to be going down to zero. You don't want to be losing money. And apparently I haven't read everything, but from what I was looking at the beginning of the year, in the market, the Weight Watcher International was worth nearly 700 million. And today is dwindled down to 65 million. So we know a lot of things have been going on in Weight Watcher International. They've been taking out meetings, in-person meetings, and wanting everything to go digital. I've been spared that. I still have a meeting I can go to in person. And I think that's the foundation of Weight Watchers, is those meetings that we have access to get support. I mean, I can go on several digital meetings. It's nice that I have access to that, but my one thing that's grounded me so far is that weekly meeting that I go on, the same meeting every week. So I don't know what they're going to do. We don't know what direction we're going to be going in here with Weight Watchers. That's still to be seen. Hopefully they can turn things around. But them trying to hook into the medical weight loss drug industry to try to stay relevant, because those weight loss drugs do seem like it is a big thing. It's all over the place. It's all over the internet. I don't know a lot about it. I've watched a couple things on it. I mean, like any drug, it's going to have side effects, this and that, and you see things where you would have to stay on it forever, that it's not like a temporary thing as far as weight loss goes. It's basically was made for diabetes. So I don't know. I don't know. I can't really talk on that subject because I don't know. I'm not an expert. You'd have to follow a GLP-1 channel, and I'm not sure that they're experts either, unless they're a scientist. Okay, so yeah, but I've seen some terrible stories about side effects, and then I've seen some good results stories. So I don't know, but the thing with Weight Watchers is that basically they're just hooking you up with a telehealth or whatever, somebody who can get you access to the drug. Weight Watchers is not distributing it. I don't think. We just have meetings, and it's like $99 a month or something. I don't know. That doesn't include the drug. So, I mean, people have discovered they don't have to sign up for Weight Watchers to go get their hands on this stuff. So I don't know. So that move did not increase Weight Watchers. Hopefully, there's enough of us who see the value in Weight Watchers. There's a lot of success stories, and hopefully they'll turn things around and bring back the in-person meetings, even if they have to rent a room at a church or some, maybe they don't have their own studio, their own so-called real estate. Maybe it's more bang for their buck just to get a room at a school or a church or, just some building that rents out rooms. We still have a studio. So that's what's nice. And I did go to my meeting on Wednesday. I'm late on my video, of course. I've just been kind of, I don't know. How did my meeting go? It went okay. I gained 0.2. So still maintaining my plateau. 3 months. 3 months. Okay? And I've gone back to, I've only lost 22 pounds. So I got to re-earn my 25-pound pin. So, charm. So hopefully this next time I get back up to 25 pounds is going to be the last time that I have to re-earn my 25-pound charm. This has been going on for 3 months now. I've been, at least, I didn't gain 10 pounds back, so that's good. So what's my goal? I do like this soda. My goal is going to be to get to that 30 pounds. That would be 8 pounds. I'm at minus 22 exactly. So 8 pounds would get me to 30 pounds by the end of October. Is that too big of a goal? I don't know. I've been doing so lousy. I need to get back to what I was doing. June 26th was my lowest in this journey since I started in January. And what I was doing preceding up to that date was working on lowering my cholesterol. So I was eating mostly whole foods. I was ditching the ultra-processed foods, except on occasion. I didn't have zero, but I didn't have them every single day. So I need to get back to my whole food eating and concentrate on things like that, like I was, because that was working for me. And that's a lot of 0-point foods. I'm eating a little more chicken than I was eating, but I'm not eating all those eggs. I do get an egg on Wednesday because after my meeting now, I decided that instead of starving, I can go through the drive-thru at McDonald's and get an Egg McMuffin without cheese for 5 points. I don't need hash browns. I don't need some flavored coffee to go with it. That sustains me so I can finish getting my quarters, doing grocery shopping, whatever I need to do. And then that's my egg that I get. And then I keep those frozen egg white frittatas from Costco Garden of, I don't know, I forget what they're called. But they're the egg white and spinach frittatas. You can just toss them in the oven. Sometimes if I want an egg, a little protein, I can. One of them is 2 points, 2 of them is 3 points. So they're not 0 points like an egg. And they're not cholesterol free because they do have a little cheese in them. So there's that. So I got to get off of snacking all night with those ultra processed foods, the crackers. Excuse me. It's already 3:41. The meeting topic, which we know is no longer in the app, I went to an online meeting a few days ago before my meeting, and she said, put it in the chats, put it in the chats, in the 24/7 chat on the app. Complain about it. Gotta complain. I mean, look it. If you want to make complaints, do it now. Because right now, they're losing money. Right now, they need our suggestions. So don't feel bad. Put the tracking back on the website. That's the other thing. I've been tracking okay on my app. The barcode scanner changed a little bit. Now it's just this little box instead of the big one with the line. It's just a little box, and you just kind of fit that into the barcode, and it works good that way. So back to the meeting topic. It was just about the myth of you shouldn't eat at certain times. You can't lose weight if you eat at certain times. I mean, there's a lot of that stuff. Some people have the OMAD diet. They eat once a day. Some people are doing intermittent fasting, so they're not exactly eating breakfast. They have this window of eating that they eat. And the biggest myth is don't eat before bedtime. Some people can. Some people can't. I can't eat a bunch of stuff right before I go to bed. I did that last night. What happened? I had a stomach ache all night. It doesn't sit, the digestion just doesn't work well with me if I eat right before bed. So yeah, that I know I gotta stop. So what I've been doing is basically sometimes I only have 2 meals a day. It just depends how late I have lunch. But right now I'm just concentrating on my oatmeal for breakfast, salad for lunch, and a light dinner. Well, today I didn't have salad for lunch. It was out. So I'll have salad for dinner. Maybe not as big as I would have had at lunchtime though. I don't know. So 2 months, no work. Haven't gotten a darn thing done. I've been getting little teeny things done, but I have a lot to get done here in my home. That's why I'm not out there looking for a job right now. I'm not sure, and to get a job, I would really want to. I have my name on the list for jobs at Disneyland, but they're not really hiring right now for anything that I'd be interested in. So there's that. I don't really want to work in foods. Just because, not that I couldn't, I've worked in food service before. I don't hate it. It's just that I lose a lot. My hair falls out a lot, and people be coming back saying, "Hey, your hair's in my food." I just don't want to deal with that. But look at, I cut it. I cut like 6 inches off. I blew dry it today, so it's a little. That's okay. Because I had to go out quickly. I was working on something today. My strength training bench seat that I ordered maybe 2 months. I don't remember. It's been a bit. It's just been sitting there, and I'm like, oh, I gotta finish. I gotta put that together so I can do my strength training, because that's one of my goals is to work on strength training. So I started putting it together today, and I'm stuck on this one part. So I went out. I had to go get an Allen wrench because my Allen wrench set is missing the size that I need to loosen up the bar on my walking pad so that I can move my walking pad over so I can do the strength training. I live in a small space, pretty small space, so that's what I'm working on, decluttering, making my space so it's not stressful on me and overwhelming, and that it's functional to where I can work out at home and not have to go to a gym. And when it's raining, I can walk on my walking pad rather than having to go get an umbrella or drive to the mall. Sunday, I went to the mall. And I don't know if I mentioned in this video one time, I was mall walking one day after church, and this guy in his 80s walking through the mall, I was admiring some jewelry, and he started telling me how to tell a real diamond from a fake diamond. And he was on his walk. But he told me he owned a jewelry store. Well, that has been a couple months. So Sunday after church, I thought, oh, I'll just go. I went to the mass that got out at 10:30, and the mall technically opens at 11, but you can go inside. The stores are just not open. Even Macy's doesn't open till 11. It's good. Caramel tasting soda. But so the mall by where I live, I used to deliver mail there when I was a mail lady. I had that route for a while, quite a bit, and I really enjoyed it. But there's the main mall, and then there's another one across this bridge. So I did a couple laps, and then I walked across the bridge to the other mall and did a couple 3 floors of there. I did almost 3 miles of walking before I went into Macy's and got myself a new pair of shorts and a little top on the last act rack. I spent 14 bucks. Yeah. But I did stop at See's Candy on the other side. They took it out of the main mall. I can't get it there. But I bought the fall lollipop flavors. One, I got the chocolate caramel, and the other one was caramel apple. And for whatever reason, the caramel apple lollipop is 5 points, and the chocolate caramel is 4 points. So the thing about those is they're like a sucker. It's not like a caramel that you're just going to eat real quickly, but it's something you could suck on. I'd rather have that for 4 points than a chocolate that's going to be 1 point, and then I'm going to want more chocolates. This one I can just enjoy it for a while. So those are good. So I have those there. So those are seasonal. I tried both of them. I like the chocolate one better, but still butterscotch, the old standby, is my favorite for the See's lollipops. But anyway, what time of day do you eat? Do you think that it hinders your weight loss if you eat at night? Do you snack all day? Some people, like me, I like to eat all day long. About times, but whatever. We'll see how these weekly topics go and fit into our routine. Let's see what this shakeup at Weight Watchers happens. Hopefully they don't go out of business or something. Hopefully they can get it together and realize that constantly taking things away from us to supplement something else that we're not interested in is not working. We need our tools. We need our weekly. We need our tracking on the website. We need our in-person meetings. That's what's going to grow your business. Have something available for the people who want to lose weight, who don't want to be on medication. There are a lot of us out there. And that's your audience. Trying to get into something that, I don't know. If there was a way that they can make it profitable and economical for the client, that would be one thing. But, the support is there, so they have that part right. Let's see what happens. Any suggestions? What do you think about it? What do you think is going to happen? Do you have in-person meetings where you live? I do. For how long? I don't know, because they're constantly telling us to RSVP, make sure we check in, and those are little red flags saying we need to show the attendance. So always check into your meeting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more. See if I get over this plateau. I plan on it. I really do plan on it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Hopefully on time.